Hello students, welcome to the math class. Today we will do page number 126 of Math Magic chapter 11. So here it's written Gangu's sweets. Gangu is making sweets for Eid. He has made a tray of 80 laddus. Here you can see this is the tray. 80 laddus are there. So here is one girl who's saying, please pack 4 laddus in a box. I need 23 small boxes. So she needs 23 small boxes and 4 laddus should be there in each the boxes. So here you can see a few questions are there. Now we will solve it. So here in page number 126, the question is, are the sweets in the tray enough to pack 23 small boxes? So we all know it's written in your book that he has made 80 laddus, right? So the girl is asking for 4 packets and girl is asking for 4 laddus and 23 small boxes, right? So and the girl wants 23 small boxes of laddus with 4 laddus in each box, right? It's written in a book. So he has made 80 laddus and the girl wants 23 small boxes with 4 laddus in each box, right? So now I am writing. So the girl needs 23 into 4, right? 23 small boxes and 4 laddus. So 23 into 4, that is 92, right? So the girl needs 92 laddus, but he made only 80 laddus, right? So the question is, are the sweets in the tray enough to pack 23 small boxes? So the answer will be no. The sweets are not enough. So this answer only you will write in your book. Okay, these you will do as rough and this answer only you will write in your book. The next question is, how many more sweets are needed? So we all know 80 laddus are already he has made and the girl wants 92 laddus. So 92 minus 80, right, equals 12. So 12, so the answer you will write as 12 more sweets are needed, right? Answer will be 12 more sweets are needed, right? So these you will write as your answer. The next question is, Gangu also has a bigger box in which he packs 12 laddus. How many boxes does he need for packing 60 laddus? So the next question is, Gangu also has a bigger box in which he packs 12 laddus. How many boxes does he need for packing 60 laddus? So he should pack 12 laddus. Sorry, he should pack 12 laddus in each box and he has to pack 60 laddus, right? So the answer will be 60 laddus he will pack and 12 laddus in each box. So 60 divided by 12. Here I am showing 12 fives are 60. So 5. So the answer will be, he needs 5 boxes to pack 60 laddus. So the answer we will write as, he needs 5 boxes to pack 60 laddus. 60 divided by 12 equals 5. So these we will write as your answer. So the next question is, in page number 127 you can see, Neelu brought 15 story books to her class. Today 45 students are present. How many children will need to share one book? So 45 students, 15 story books. So the answer will be, 45 students are there, divided by 15 books, right? 45 divided by 15. So here I am showing you 3 15s are 45, right? So answer is 3. So the answer we will write as 45 divided by 15 equals 3 children will need to share one book. So this is your answer. These only you will write in your book. So in the same page, question number 2 is, a family of 8 people needs 60 kg wheat for a month. So 1 month means 30 days. How much wheat does this family need for a week? So 1 month means 30 days. 1 week means 7 days, right? 30 days and 7 days. So how much wheat does this family need for a week? So what we are going to do is 60 kg for 1 month. So for a week is 60 divided by 4, right? Because 4 weeks are there in 1 month. So 60 divided by 4. Now here I am showing you 4 ones are 4, 2, 0 will come down, 4 fives are 20. Okay, so answer is 15. So this family will need 15 kg wheat for a week. So this family will need 15 kg wheat for a week. This is your answer. This answer you will write in your book. I hope all of you understood this. Thank you, class.